Volume discounts are a proven way to uplift a Shopify store's AOV. But here's the real challenge. Search volume discount on the Shopify App Store, and you'll get flooded with dozens of apps all looking similar, all claiming to be the best for AOV increase. So in this video, I've done the hardest work for you, picking up 3 apps. When I compare them, I'm focusing on 3 clear things: how deep their features go, how smooth and reliable their widgets are, and how well they fit stores of different sizes. By the end, you'll know exactly which one best fits your store. I'm Charlie, and let's get into it. 3 apps I chose today are BOGOS, Free Gift Bundle Upsell, Kaching Bundles and Upsells, and Dealeasy Volume Discounts app. You'll find the links to try each of them right down in the description. So what do these apps actually do? Well, they all let you set up and schedule your tiered discount on the same product, across different products, or even across variants of one product, and you can flexibly choose between percentage discounts or fixed amount discounts. For those who want a fixed price, it's only available on BOGOS and Kaching. Another difference is how the discount gets applied. With BOGOS and Kaching, you can apply discounts either through their widget's add to cart button, or even without it. But with Dealeasy, the discount only works through your store's regular add to cart button. For widget layouts, all 3 apps give you the standard quantity layout. But if you're looking for a table layout option, only BOGOS and Dealeasy have you covered. That's the essential setup every volume discount app needs to cover. Now, let's go deeper and look at each app's key selling point. First is BOGOS. What has kept this app maintaining its position for over 11 years with more than 3,800 reviews at a perfect 5-star rating is its comprehensive targeting rules. This app helps you segment your offers to specific customer groups by their purchase history, tags, location, unique links, or specific markets. That kind of control is rare in a volume discount app. Overall, BOGOS is very easy to use with an intuitive and clear in-app interface with handy navigation buttons that connect you to their dedicated support team in minutes. On top of that, the app comes with an AI assistant, step-by-step help docs, and tutorial videos. Now, the one thing worth flagging. BOGOS's widget customization lives in a separate section from your main offer setup. So if you want to tweak both the rules and the look at the same time, you'll be jumping between 2 places. If your store targets a global market and you need advanced features like custom currency exchange for precise pricing and a flexible built-in translation tool, BOGOS will be the best pick. On analytics, it's clean and fast with essential metrics like a visual trend chart, real-time updates, and per-order filtering. On the storefront, BOGOS provides some helpful tools to promote your offer, like a real-time progress bar on the cart drawer or on any high-traffic page you want. This app also offers a floating Today Offer widget and a Today Offer block to showcase all of your available offers. Now, for the crucial part, pricing. BOGOS offers a free plan for any live stores, and paid plans range from $29.99 to $109.99 per month, aligned with your Shopify plan. To wrap up, BOGOS is built for stores in rapid growth that need more than a basic discount table. Alright, moving on to Kaching. This app stands out with the highest review count of the 3, with over 4,300 reviews. And there are 2 clear reasons why it's earned that reputation. The first one is the urgency signals. Built right into the widget, you get countdown timers, a scratch-off reveal, and visual badges like most popular or low stock alert. The second one is that you can add a gift or upsell as add-ons within your volume discount tiers. Additionally, Kaching allows you to run A/B tests on your offers to see which setup performs better. And when it comes to setup, Kaching keeps everything on a single screen, whether you're setting up offer conditions or customizing them. The translation button at the top takes you straight to the translation section, where you'll find 2 options: manual input or automatic translation. Unlike BOGOS, this app doesn't support integration with third-party translation tools. That said, there are a few trade-offs to note. Kaching only supports segments for B2B customers or specific markets. And if you need a progress bar to promote your offers better, that's not supported. You'd need an add-on starting around $9.99 a month for that. To be honest, analytics is the weakest point here. You get a basic overview, but it's limited if you want to filter by offer or look at individual order data. On pricing, there's no free plan for live stores. Paid plans start at just $14.99, with the highest tier costing $59.99 per month. To sum up, Kaching is a strong choice if your store promotion strategy focuses solely on volume discounts and needs precise control over how your offer widgets look, with extensive customizations. And finally, we have Dealeasy, which takes a pretty different angle from the first two. Rather than competing on features, Dealeasy is designed for stores that are at the beginning of their volume discount journey and don't want to commit to a big monthly spend yet. Free plan available for live stores and paid plans starting at just $9 a month, the cheapest entry on this list. With Dealeasy, you can set up volume discounts using the essential conditions I mentioned earlier. The app also lets you target specific customer segments with tags or emails, and you can include or exclude B2B customers as needed. One honest note about setup: the offer preview isn't available in the setup dashboard, which can be inconvenient for users. To see how an offer looks, you'll need to switch over to the customization section, and that dashboard can feel confusing at first. My advice is to take a few minutes to get familiar before diving in. And just like BOGOS, it comes with a built-in progress bar at no extra cost. What genuinely surprised me is that Dealeasy actually has the most detailed analytics of the three. You get data on top performing products and thorough performance breakdowns, which is really valuable intel when you're a newer store still figuring out what's working. Here is the bottom line on Dealeasy. If you're in the early stage and want to test whether volume discounts actually move your numbers before committing to something bigger, this is where to start. All right, here's the full side-by-side breakdown on screen, so you can see everything at a glance. And that's the end of the video.